Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, welcome back to the podcast. And you know what? I shouldn't play the applause music here because we don't get a lot of views on the channel, but the views that we do get are from very passionate people who've been supporting the show for a long time. I've been exchanging emails with some friends of the show, and the worst that could happen is happening to them right now. Their wallets are getting drained, and we're trying to figure out a way to stop the bleeding, but so far we haven't been able to. So the reason that it happened is very, very simple. And I'm going to take, I'm going to take this on myself because nowhere of any of the videos that I've put out, nowhere have I ever specifically said, don't do this. So, I'm going to take a lot of that on myself, but I'm going to show you right now what not to do. So we might be able to help somebody going forward, and we might be able to help somebody right now. So we're going to go ahead and third screen this so I can show you exactly what not to do. And if you happen to have done this, stop, fix it. I will show you how. We're going to do something really, really simple here right now. We're going to go to our Keplr extension. We're going to look at our Keplr wallet. No big deal. You guys see my wallet all the time. You see it every single day. It's not a big deal because mine is backed up with the seed phrase. But it turns out that there are most likely quite a few people out there who are not backed up with the seed phrase. Let me show you what they actually did. So they created a new wallet account. That's fine. But they hit this button right here when they created their wallet. If you hit that button right there, if you said, I'm going to sign in with Google and create a Keplr wallet, your wallet does not have a seed phrase. Your wallet is not secure. And it's only a matter of time before your wallet is going to get hacked. If you did that, stop right now. Stop. Nice and easy. Go back. Almost, it was going to be easy. Go back. When you're going to create your Keplr wallet, and you're going to, when you're going to add an account, when you're going to create a wallet, you're going to create either a new account or you're going to import an existing account that has a seed phrase. If you did not have a 12 or 24-word seed phrase when you created your Keplr wallet is not secure. And it's just a matter of time, and it's going to go poof. So I'll keep you up to date on what we managed to work out against for some friends of the show who are going through this right now, and it's a lot of money. So we're doing what we can to help them out, but this onus is going to come on to you as the wallet holder. If you did this, let me show you one more time. If you did this, stop right now and do this. Create a new account. Create a seed phrase, write it down, don't show it to anybody ever. And whatever is in this one here, you transfer it to this one here in the safe wallet. Get it out of there. It's just a matter of time. So anyway, that's not the video I wanted to do today, and I will be bringing out another one. We're going to continue our 60-day journey, but I wanted to put this out for any friends of the show who have possibly done that, the sign in with Google. You got to stop it, man. All right, we showed you how, we showed you why. Now fix it. So that's it, guys. I'll be bringing another video here in just a few hours as soon as I actually get it written up. I had to work this morning, but that's it. Please be safe. Please be smart with your money. Cheers.